Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple. We will continue with the CAT 2017 Slot 2 Quant section. This is geometry question. ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with center O. If angle COD is equal to 120 degree and angle BAC is equal to 30, then the value of angle BCD. This is theta type question. So first we will draw a circle and a quadrilateral inside that circle. ABCD is given quadrilateral where angle COD is 120. This is O, center of the circle. So this angle COD is given 120 and angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. It is given. So BA and C. BA and C. It is given as 30 degree. So we need to find the angle BCD. This angle we need to find. So what we can do, we can join this 2 point. So since this is 120, this angle will be 120 because both are vertical opposite angle. This is 120, this is 30, so this angle is, it will be 30 automatically. We know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So now we need to find angle BCD. So this is the straight line. This is straight line. So if this is 120, then this angle will be 60 according to linear pair property, that straight line subtends 180 degree angle. So if this is 60 and these two side OB and OC are equal, so these two angles are equal and remaining 120 degree will get divided equally, so it will be 60 60. So this is 60. Now we have to find angle this, and the sum of these two will be the our answer, which is BCD angle. So since this is 60, it is given. Now consider this triangle OAB and triangle ODC. Both are similar triangle by the property of angle similarity. This 120 and 120 is equal. This 30 and 30 will be equal because since this is 120, so remaining angle is 60 because we know that sum of angle of a triangle is 180. So remaining 60 will get equally divided this among these two angles, so 30 and 30. So 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So our required angle BCD is 90 degree. So angle BCD subtends 90 degree. So this is the answer. Or we can do it in simpler way, like since 60 and 120, it is after combining this both angle, it is making 180 degree. So it means that this BOD is a straight line, because on a straight line angle made by any line at any point is 180. So it means that BOD is 180. So since this BOD is 180, BOD is a straight line and it is a diameter of that given circle. So angle subtended by that diameter on circumference of the circle is 90. So directly we can say that this is 90 by the semicircle property. So angle BCD is 90. You can solve this question in two ways. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.